What's up, guys? Today we are playing Break Into Story. We are playing. Nah, that's Dog Day. Nah. That's not the song. That the one that goes like. No. No, this one. No, this one. No, this one. I'm Dog Day, and I'm going to eat. I'm Dog Day, and I'm going to eat. I'm Dog Day. Bro, that is from Ohio. Hold up, let me pee for a while. I'm doctor. I'm going to eat. Yo, bend over. I mean, wait, you're clapping with teacher Kiana? Hey, yo. I'm a oh, I was about to get mad at you, of course. What do you think? I, bro, what do you think? So, what do you think of me? Do I have a crush? Guys, um, guys, um, remember that last video that I posted? What that girl that I reacted is so hot. Yo, at least I'm right. At least I'm right though. Time to get my secret weapon. Yeah, the auto clicker. The auto clicker is so useful. Don't you? Do you have auto clicker? Oh, okay. I wish I have double auto clicker. I'm using the auto clicker, guys. Come on, please. Yep, because because I'm using my laptop, remember? And you're using iPad. And guys, this is so hard to do. What? Yo, ha, yo, this auto clicker is so OP. Shush. Two. Bro, we're like the duo already. Bro, did I just see dog? Did I see cat day? Look at this. Look at this. I see cat day already. I saw cat day. Look at the gym. Bro, it's cat day. You know. Maybe. Yep, you're right. Bro, auto clickers are so useful. Am I right? In Black Fruits? What about in Bed Wars? Happy it matay na. We don't fight Happy. No, that's only my favorite YouTuber. Happy's only my favorite YouTuber. Okay, Scary Larry body missing. Bro is yapping too much. That's a yapper. Why? Where is Ashra? Okay. Okay, we can defeat him so easily. Boy, those guys are so easy to beat. Come, come, come to the middle. Go to, go to the mid. Cut that, cut. Okay, you gotta go AFK. Cut day. Okay, just stay there. I'm gonna protect you. Okay. Okay, eight. Come on, come on. Nah, come here, buddy. Okay. I'm sneezing too much. The key's in the kitchen. Okay. Wait, I found the key. I found the key. I found the IKEA. There you go. Come on. Freedom. Yay! 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 Okay, just stop yapping now. We already know. Yay! Yay! Come on. Stop. Okay, you can stop yapping now. The. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come here. Time to eat. Yay, money. Some witches ring, tell them that it's emoji. Money, ring. Money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Is Asha controlling it? Hello? Hello? Hope he's probably off. So, time to train. Bro, this is so easy. Come on. Yes! Oh, bruh. That was almost the jackpot. Yo, remember that video that my classmate showed me? Yo! Yo, shush! Shush, that's too much. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we are doing this. Come on. We're almost there. Almost there. Nothing. By the way, I feed Uncle Pete. Yes. I'm just exercising here. I heard I'm trying to get force strength. Yeah. Guys, can I guys tell you something? Yo, 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 yo! Get him. Come. No. Listen more. Listen more. Come on. Make him. Yeah. Okay, 10 bad guys. That looks so easy. That looks so easy, buddy. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Uh, oh, come here, buddy. Okay. Nah, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on. Please, let me get it. I want the chips. Yes, chips. Chippies. 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 Look at this. Yes, food. Okay, meet me at the gym. Candy casa. Thank you very much. Bro, this is making me so fast. Shush. Look at this. Chippy chippy chapat. I say chippy you ano? Nah, that ain't girl dinner. But no, I don't see it. Plus, I'm just lifting this. Come on. Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, yo, Nate, can I show you something? This is this is me when teacher kinda has a boyfriend. I'm exercising. Wanna know why? Wanna know why? Are you serious? This is the annoying thing. Wait, let me sacrifice, okay? I can do this. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, help us. Help us. Hello, help us, please. Help us. Come on. I need to sacrifice. Come on. Go. Bro, can you help me here? Yep, I'm still recording. So guys, we are starting the power and then Nate is not helping. We're just doing this. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on. Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilan ng tatlo, nakatago na tayo. Subukan niyong tumayo. I want to be a twinkle star. How do you hear about the tattoo? Meow. You know that song, guys? Hold up. Yeah. Wait. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Bro, what are you waiting? Come on. Auto clicker time, buddy. Time to auto clicker. That that boy's auto clicker. Auto clicker. Come on. Bro is bro is so slow to close. Come on. Close. Okay, let's help. Come on, duo. Duo time. Duo. It's the duo now. Yeah. Come here, man. Bro, we're comboing him. Oh no. Here is the boss. Come on, come on. Oh, bruh, buddy, come here. Buddy, no running, buddy. No running. Yay! Money, money, money. Oh, bruh, some money fell. Oh no, GG's. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, stop. Okay, come. Let's go. Come on, come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Let me get some cookies, okay? Yo, 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 I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. Okay, 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 go, 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 go. Money, 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 money. Come on, come on, come on. I'm the only adult here. Probably. Come on, come on, come on. Uy, kala mo ah. Ay, joke lang. Joke lang. Bati na tayo. Bati na tayo, di ba? Ay, joke lang, joke lang. Joke lang, joke lang. Joke lang, pare. Some... bro, he's literally stunned. Okay. Let me get some food. I'm hungry. Come on, give me some Luxy Cola, and there you go. Thank you very much. Come on. Yes. Oh, bro. We're probably GG's. We're probably GG's. Am I right? Oh no. More like, more like, um, Wiki Mary in my house. Come on, let's go. I need that money. I'm money hungry. Guys, I gotta pee. Okay. Yes. Later. Okay, yeah. I'm back. I just became. Ah, but didn't we? That where was he last time? Am I right? Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, bro, you're also weak. Yo, let's go Sigma more. Let's go Sigma mode, okay? Bro, it's not just one person, buddy. Bro, look who's behind us, buddy. Who's laughing now, buddy? Who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? Am I right? Who's laughing now, buddy? Who's laughing now? Okay. I can beat you so. I can beat you. You're so weak. Am I right? Come on, come on. This is so easy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's no way. Okay, let's do this. Let's dance. Okay, let's do some Michael Jackson then. Let Let's do some Michael Jackson or some Eminem that or bro cannot do this. Or maybe this. I'm just like Eminem, but even more worse. Come on. on, come on, come. This, here, here. Here. Bro literally thought. Bro thought. What's this? Yo. Here. Oh, sure, you scared me there. Hmm. Come on, let's dance now. Can you do this? Okay. And here you okay. Can you tell us if you're okay? The side of the window is the machine go Eddie. Bro literally thought from 2004. I think I'm like the boss in this game. Nah, I'm the boss. Yeah, we're both the boss. Come on. Let me go with you, buddy. Let me go with you. Oh, you are weak. You won't survive this. Nah, we're not weak. More like you're weak. Am I right? More, more like she's weak. Am I right? I'm gonna be like, yo, yo, cat day. No, he's just a kid. Cat day, come on. I'm cat day. Yo, yo. Yo. Hot. I only have 10 chips now. Bro is a scaredy cat. Yep. Come on. Try me, buddy. Come on, try me. Try me, buddy. Try me. Try me. You're so weak. You're so weak. Bro is a weakling, am I right? Yo. I changed my mind. No. Oh, no. That's only the food I have. Yo. Ah, bro is so weak. Bro is a weakling. Wait, you left? Come on. Yes! Oh, bro. Bro is... Wait! Oh. Wait, I forgot about that. Come on. Bro. You thought that fight was... Okay. Oh, no. So here we go. Oh no. Let's go. Come on. Can you do this? Bro literally thought. Bro is so weak. Bro is such a weakling. Bro is the biggest weakling in the world. Bro is a weakling. Nah, this is not hard. I can just do this. Huh? What you gonna do? Huh? Oh no. Okay, get him. Okay. Cookie. Come on, get him. I'm low. I'm half health. Okay. Bro, what the? Bro, what are you doing there? Come on. I'm half health. What? It's because you're not even doing anything. Bro, Uncle Pete is just staying there. Come on. Bro literally thought. Yo, 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 yo! That was so close. Oh, no, 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 no. Ow. Ito naman, lag lagi. Yo! I'm low now. I'm low. I'm low. I'm low now. Help! I'm low. No! Cut this! Now it's a trio now. Bro just healed up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, so close. Sure. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. GG's. Bro, this is so hard. Nah, I'm low. You do all the work, okay? I'm low now. Oh, shush! Shush, I'm low. Shush, I'm low. You have to do... You... Oh, no. Nah, I hate... Well, what the... No, 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 no! Nah, oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, nah, bro thought. Bro thought. Yo! These spikes are so annoying. Bro, I can literally dodge. No! You know what? Okay, so that's the end of the video. So bye.